use this tuck tape, and it, for the most part, seals very well. It sticks well to itself, but there are some gaps from time to time. You can see a bit of a leak here that came out. This is the second pour on this. This time it pretty much stayed, so when I filled it up, it looks pretty good. And you can see there's some air bubbles in the very bottom of that. But I can mill this out or not. It doesn't matter to me. I'll take this plastic off, this tuck tape off later and see what we've got. So I'm using pliers, chisel, hammer to try and remove this stuff, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. And I'm wondering if I should just put it on the lathe, flatten this top, put it on the lathe, and try to mill it off. I have not done that in the past, but this stuff is, it's on there pretty good. So yeah, chisel and all kinds of other, an X-Acto blade here, trying to get this stuff off. And I don't even know if I need to do that, or the chisel might just zip, take it off quickly. I may try that. I may try it with the other ones I've got too. So this is one of my resin pours, and on the bottom is a pretty big section of wood. I believe it's spalted maple, but there's wood chunks and resin parts throughout this piece. So I'm going to mill this today, and hopefully it'll turn out good. I'm going to try and mill it and mill this stuff off. I hope it doesn't completely gum up the chisels, but getting this stuff off is pretty difficult. So that's what I'm gonna do. I tried scraping a lot of it with a chisel. That's why I had the headstock locked, but that wasn't very easy. So we'll see how the lathing chisels do. Some parts are coming off, but overall it's on there pretty good. So a lot of people ask me what they can do to help me and support my channel here. And the best thing you can do is to subscribe, like, and even share, and get your friends to subscribe and like. That is a huge help to me, and it's one of the only ways that I make and earn a very, very small amount via YouTube. Some people have Patreon channels. I don't have that. I don't know what to give away with my Patreon channel. I guess I've looked at it and don't really understand it to its fullest degree, but if anybody has any ideas about that and can help me, I'd be grateful. Otherwise, please subscribe. Thank you.